What is going on YouTube? Chukofilms here. If you want your beard to look like this, you want it to be shiny, you want it to be attractive looking, I got some tips for you. A lot of people are asking me, yo, like how do you make your beard look so good? How do you get it to glow? How do you get it to be connected? There's things you can do to make your beard look better than it was 2 years ago. Now, the first thing you have to do is be patient. You need to let it grow. You can't expect your beard to just boom, pick up and just grow all of a sudden. You need to give it time to grow, to be fully functional. The thing a lot of people don't understand is like it's supposed to happen overnight. You can't grow a nice full beard overnight. Make sure you drink a lot of water. If you're dehydrated, your body's not gonna function like it's supposed to. You definitely gotta drink your water. H2O. Tip number 2, make sure you're eating good. You can't eat bad food and then expect it to grow. You can't do that. Make sure you're using the proper oil. Now, I don't use any name brand oil. I just go to Walmart and buy coconut oil. Coconut oil is very, 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 very good for your hair, your skin, and whatever other use you're supposed to use it for. But I use coconut oil for my beard. I usually use it 2-3 times a week. Every other Friday. I use it, after getting my haircut, after getting it lined up. I wash it with a beard soap. I'm actually gonna show you guys a tutorial on how to properly take care of it. Biotin. Biotin is very, very, very important, guys. Or the right vitamins for your beard is not gonna have that glow to it. You see this? See that glow? Definitely gotta take your biotin. It's good for your hair, it's good for your skin, and it's good for your nails too. I've been taking it for 2-3 months now, and I can tell this thing is doing wonders. Now, other tip I'm gonna give you guys, make sure you're always combing your beard. I usually have a wooden comb that I use, but today we're gonna be using a plastic one. The reason why I don't like the plastic ones is just because it just drags your beard out, and that it hurts really bad. Make sure you're washing it, you're taking care of it, you're putting your time into it. You don't have to spend all day, every day, making sure you're combing your beard out. Just comb it every once in a while, give it a good hot shower. Sometimes I usually put hot water on the towel and I just press it on there and just let it sink right in. You know what I'm saying? Your hair is part of your body. You have to take care of it, and just make sure you're doing what you're supposed to do. If you guys follow this tip, I guarantee you guys will see a lot of changes. Now, before I let you guys go, definitely follow me on Instagram, Chukofilms. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to see more video like this. And you guys definitely comment, tell me your tips on how to take care of a beard, so I can learn from you guys and try whatever you guys think that's good for my beard. Definitely comment below, tell me what you guys think. Tell me your tips, your tricks. Let me know what you guys are doing that I'm not doing or I need to add on my list. Now, this is Chukofilms. Definitely subscribe, like, share this video so fellow brother can take tips on how to take care of his beard. And definitely click on the notification button to get more videos like this. This is Chukofilms. You guys have a blessed day.